So the latest update to the Mote extension gives us the option to use Mote in our Gmail. So if you've got the Mote extension already, make sure you're on at least version 9.0. So just pop into your settings, go to extensions and update those settings. Okay. And then all we need to do is in our Gmail, we can press C to start composing. And you will see down here, we've now got a Mote icon. So I can choose a recipient and add a message. I'm going to click my Mote. How cool is this? We get to just speak our emails and send them to you. Super easy to understand and much better than just trying to understand text, particularly with intonation and things like that. And then I click on the M. It thinks about it and comes up with everything that it would normally do as a Mote and puts this lovely little card in here. And then I'm just going to put on there, check this out. And I think I'm going to send this one to my wife. There we go. And there we go. All I need to do now is click send. And now I can view the message and I can see exactly what she will see. So she will just click on this message here. How cool is this? We get to just speak our emails and send them to you. And that will happen if you've got Mote installed as well. If users haven't got Mote installed, it's going to take them to the normal landing page where they will be able to click on and view and listen to that recording again. So really, really useful way of minimizing the amount of typing that we need to do. Really awesome. I'm getting quite emotional